to ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all your InfoComm news.
Hi, this is Gary Kay. We are at InfoComm 2026 on day 2, and I'm in the Christie booth, and I'm here with Josh Kolbeck, who's the Vice President of Sales for Christie. First off, congratulations on what seems to be a successful InfoComm 26.
Oh, it's absolutely been successful. Our booth has been packed for the last 2 days, and I don't expect it to slow down.
Well, you're focusing on a few different things here. One of the central focuses, obviously, is your microtiles, and you've got some new some new products in your microtiles platform. Talk about that really quick.
Yeah, absolutely. Let me start with the microtile and the microtile platform that's been around for years now. I want to say we are approaching 10 years with our traditional microtile, and most excited about the Vivid Life backbone of the microtiles, which is the processing backbone behind it. So MicroTile, which is our left demonstration piece here, is the 0.75 is what we're using to demonstrate, but what we're very excited about is our new XP series that is coming out. And the XP series you're going to see over to the right. This is our mid-tier offering that's also sitting on the same Vivid Life as MicroTile, and it's carrying a lot of the same features as MicroTile, right? So you're going to get the redundant power if you want it. You're going to get the controller through Christie, and that's very important to us. This is a product that has a country of origin of Canada, right? So that means bringing it into the United States with no tariffs, no challenges there. It's going to be all TAA
and
compliant.
what is different about the XP series versus the traditional microtiles?
So it is going to be benefiting from some of the newer technologies that are going to make it more cost effective, right?
Okay.
It doesn't get down to the 0.75
the resolution
at all. We really start at the 0.9. We go all the way up to the 0.38. The Vivid Life does allow us to control brightness from 100% brightness down to 0 with no calibration on site at all. So very proud of that.
All right, where are we heading next?
Let's go around the corner here to the right. Let's show you here something else that goes into our direct view platform here. This is our secure panel. So what we're very excited about our secure panel, also TAA compliant, but a lot of people say TAA and TAA pushed into the gov space. Beyond TAA is actually being secure. Secure is really focused on espionage or lack of espionage or protection against espionage. But when you think about espionage, yes, it's important to gov. Right, it's important to a number of heads of state, but it's also important to corporate espionage. Think about all
the malware now,
Absolutely, and think about AI and what AI is breaking into, and the concerns that are coming up with that. So you have a screen here that has no RF, it has no Wi-Fi, it has no OS on it. When you shut off the screen, it completely wipes itself. So very, very proud of this. We have it everywhere from a 55-inch up to 55, 65, 75, 84, and 96-inch screen. So this is our lineup, and our lineup in LCD is focused strictly on secure.
It's known as the Secure Series 3.
It is the Secure Series 3, yes.
All right, excellent. All right, and of course, projection mapping is at the heritage of everything you guys have done for years and years.
Yes, and this right here, this projector showcases our single chip projectors, right? And our Chorus. This is our newest launch. This launched at ISE, so now it's the first time to actually hit U.S. soil and be launched and put in front of our clientele that are here. And this is the projector that is replacing our GS projector lineup that you would know for our WU lineup of projectors, and it has done everything better. It is a smaller projector, it's a lighter projector, it's now 4K instead of WU. It is even more cost effective. We have checked every box in this course, couldn't be more proud of it.
Yeah, and it launched at ISE, like you said, and it was very popular at the show.
Yes, we are having a hard time keeping it in inventory. It is moving.
Congratulations there. Here you got your heritage and large venue projection up here with the double stack.
If you look up there, you're going to see our flagship. Those are our Griffins. They're up on top. Our Griffins are 35K and 50K 4K projectors, right? 4K resolution, and we're showing them here, mapping on our wall here. You can see you're in a very high ambient light environment, and those colors are still popping. Right, you're still getting the uniformity of nice color space. You're getting the vividness of the 4K and the RGB light source.
Yeah, and you're doing basically 3D mapping there in a way that you have a physical 3D surface that you're actually doing image mapping on different.
Yes, we are mapping onto the mask here, and we are actually using our Christie Mystique for some auto calibration, which is the single button calibration into complex shapes like this.
Yeah.
We're using this with a single projector, which is bringing the pixels and conforming to the complexity of the mask, but that same Mystique can be used across as many channels as projectors as you want. We've used it across dozens. We've used Mystique into very large, live events environments, visualization, simulation, projection mapping environments as well.
All right, so here you're showing the Spider.
We are showing the Spider, and this is the Spider S. We are so excited to have the Spider S in our booth and part of the Christie portfolio of product lineups. The industry knows Spider.
Yeah.
We know Spider X. We know Spider X20. We know Spider X80. And we know it as the processor that keeps everything live, keeps it on screen. There is no flash to black when you transition content or any of the rest of that. That is now being augmented with the Spider S. Spider S is taking the same kind of backbone approach to processing, but breaking it down into a modular fashion. One RU rack units, like we're looking at down here on the desk, right? That is going to be a 4-input, 4-output box that you can scale with the ability of attaching SFP backplane behind it, so you just continue to add as many nodes as you want with 4 in, 4 out. It's going to be.
So is it daisy chained or?
It can be.
Okay,
absolutely.
So how scalable is it? How big can it go?
As large as you want it to go.
Okay.
And my friend Victor Verditelli over here says that give me a canvas and I'll meet it.
All right.
So as I go around the corner here, we did talk about a number of our one chips, but I want to talk about a few others, right? So down here we have our Captiva. Our Captiva is our entry-level product. This is a W product, 0.25 to 1 ultra short throw lens. Yeah. So tiny guy, fits in small spaces, gives you a nice large image. Down at the bottom is our Inspire series. Our Inspire series is a nice, cost-effective fixed lens projector. So there is zoom, but it comes with a lens. So you don't have to worry about picking the proper lens and whatnot. So it's great for distribution and great for volume.
And both these are single chip.
These are all single chip that you're looking on this stand here. The next is our Jazz series. Our Jazz series goes all the way up to 24,000 lumens in a single projector here. This one's WU in 24,000 lumens. Wow. We can do 16,000 lumens in a 4K. So Chorus up here, bringing back to what I showed you before, it's 10,000 lumens 4K or 14,000 lumens 4K. And this lens, didn't speak about the lens before. This right here is a 0.34 to 0.37 lens. Best part about this lens, look at how much gap you have between the bottom of the lens and the top of this. Yeah. This easily fits above a ceiling.
Yeah, so you don't even see the projector.
You don't see it at all. All you see is that lens. And then from there, you have 110% of lens shift. Wow. So you can put that image anywhere you want it.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have a few other things that I'd like to show you. So we talked about the 3 chip of the Griffins that were hanging above and doing the mapping on the mask over here. Here is the beginning of our 3 chip portfolio. So this is the M series. Now, M series, Christie has been known for the M series. We sold more M series than we sold any other 3 chip product that is out there. So the best part about this is the RGB variant of that. All lenses with your original M series will work on this. All of your rigging frames that you had for your original M series works on this. So great for rental staging, great for anyone that has really embraced the M series and been using the lap-based version for years. Down below that is the Sapphire. So the Sapphire, RGB as well, 3 chip projector, 40,000 lumens, but this RGB is a little bit special. It's an RGB hybrid. So we've put a laser phosphor wheel inside there as well, which allows us to do a very uniform image. The color space that you can actually see up here, projected up above on the screen. Yes, there's a daylight screen up there. So this would be a MicroTile wall here. So up there to the top right, that is the Sapphire 40K that is up there. So Gary, look at how bright this room is.
Yeah.
And look at how that image still pops as projection. And look at how soft that image is, right? That's what Sapphire brings. It's also great for rear projection, great for anyone that is really color sensitive, any type of colorist, that would be someone that's really looking for the Sapphire.
Well, we're going around and shooting individual product videos on each one of these as well. So if you want to get more of a deep dive on each one of these products, all you have to do is go to ravepubs.com/InfoComm, type in Christie in the video search window. I really appreciate it. Thank you for doing all this.
Thank you for coming over.
This was a heck of a tour. Thanks for doing it. And of course, we got more InfoComm coverage to do at ravepubs.com.